Hey to my Takeila Holics. I'm back and I bring you guys another video. And this is going to be from Afro to Boxbraid on natural hair. Let's get into it. Now you know you got to wash the hair before you do anything to it, right? Okay, so I'm going to use my Moringa Almond and Green Tea Shampoo Bar from my Etsy shop. And also this amazing DIY coconut milk deep conditioner. And I'm going to post the video link on how to make it in the description box below. Now every time I use this amazing shampoo bar, I get aromatherapy. Rosemary and tea tree. Can you imagine those two blended together? Now that I washed out the shampoo, it is time to add this amazing coconut milk deep conditioner. Now I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes with a shower cap on top. Once I rinse the conditioner out, I let it air dry, good enough so that I can clip her ends. Now we're going to add some moisture to her hair by using some of my Moringa hair butter, and that is also on my Etsy shop. I will put the link in the description below. Using a hair butter for this type of hairstyle on natural hair, I think it's the best option to me because it locks the moisture in a little bit better. That's just my opinion. Okay, we done and everything. But don't you go nowhere. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Lord, you know how hard